welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and guess what guys, this is actually my third attempt of filming this video because every time I'm planning to do this video something odd is happening. So this is actually my third attempt, and I have thought that this time, no matter how many people disturb me and no matter what is going to happen, I'm going to continue filming this video for you guys because we are going to film this video. That's it. So guys, basically as you can see from the title itself, today I'm going to unbox the Zotezo Zobag, and here is my Zobag for the month of April, and I'm holding it upside down, so this is how it's basically supposed to be. Now before we move on to the unboxing, guys, if you're here on my channel for the first time, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button. Now proceeding with today's video. So basically, if you don't know about ZoBag, then let me tell you that ZoBag is a subscription box, and they basically have two versions of it. You can either go for the ZoBag Regular or the ZoBag Mini. So the Mini ZoBag comes for Rs 299 and it has 5 products in it, whereas the regular size ZoBag has 7 products in it and it comes for Rs 499. The one that I'm going to unbox today is the regular size one. So let's quickly open it up and see what are the products we have received in it. But before that guys, let me just show you that ZoBags always come in these very sturdy cardboard boxes. So I'm just going to open it quickly and take out the bag. So guys, here is how this month's ZoBag looks. So it's basically a red jute bag, and it's like a pouch kind of a bag, like a portly styled bag. So let me quickly open it up. So all you have to do is just pull out the rope. That's it. And as I can see, it's filled with products inside. So let me take out the first product. So the first product that I can see inside is from the brand Mcaffeine, and it's a Choco Caffeine face scrub with argan oil. So it is supposed to exfoliate, hydrate and bring glow to your skin. So this is meant for dry skin, and it's a 100-gram product, so it's a full size product, and this one is priced at Rs 399. And guys, I have previously used products from this brand, that is Mcaffeine. I think I have used their chocolate mask, and that was quite good. Like, it was quite good, so I'm really eager to try this one out as well. Apart from that guys, there are a few other things that I would like to mention about this product. That is, this is SLS free, this is cruelty free, as well as it has no parabens in it. So people who love using such products, I think this is a great option for all of you. Moving on to the next product. So the next product is basically a sheet mask from the brand Mirabelle Cosmetics Korea. So this is basically made in Korea, and this one is a charcoal premium facial sheet mask, and this one is priced at Rs 149. So what this is supposed to do is, this basically controls the oil, it deep cleanses your face as well as controls the pores. So this is designed for both men and women, so both men and women can use this product. And this one is again a cruelty free product, so that is again a thumbs up. Now guys, we all know that during the summer seasons, sheet masks are such blessings because they instantly give you so much relief and it feels really refreshing. So I'm definitely going to try this one out. The next product in the bag is from the brand Devence, and it's a Multani lotion. So this is basically a ready to use face pack, and this has 275 ml of product in it, and this is priced at Rs 499. So this is again a full sized product. So this is paraben free, it has no phthalates, it doesn't have any harmful chemical, it is 100% pure Multani Mitti with natural rose water. So it's basically a ready to use pack, which I think is again something really nice for the summers, because you know, Multani Mitti we all know is so good for our skin. The next product in here is an activated charcoal premium soap from the brand Biotrex, and this one is priced at Rs 90. So let me quickly take it out and show it to you guys. So okay, this one looks really cool. So this is how it basically looks. It's black in color. So guys, this is actually going to be the first time that I try out a charcoal soap. I've never used a charcoal soap before, so let's see what it basically does. So it basically draws out toxins and impurities, and it heals acne and blackheads and retains moisture. Now since it's saying that it's going to heal acne and blackheads, I think you can actually use it on your face. I'm not quite sure. So let me just see how it smells. Okay, so this one smells really refreshing. Like, it smells very refreshing, so definitely looking forward to try this one out. Moving on to the fifth product in the box. So this one is again an activated charcoal product, and this one is from the brand Nik. It's basically a face wash. So this one, guys, is again a 100 ml product, so it's a full size product, and this one is priced at rupees 153. So it is supposed to deep cleanse your skin. It's going to detoxify. It basically has all the good properties of charcoal. So again, something I'm definitely looking forward to try. The sixth product in the box is a nail paint from the brand EL21. The price of this one is not mentioned, but this one is again a full size product. So by far till now, all the products that we have received are all full size products. So here is the last product in the box. It's basically a snack. So this one is a nutrition bar from Rite, and the flavor is Mary Berry. So this one has 0% trans fats in it, and this one is enriched with protein and calcium and has vitamin A, C and E in it, and the price of this bar is rupees 35. So this is an healthy option that they have provided for us. I think that is something really great. So guys, with that, the unboxing is over, and overall I think, guys, this box is quite a value for money box, because you are actually getting products worth rupees 1600 for just rupees 499, and all of these are full size products. I think overall it's quite a good package, because you are getting so many different products which I think you can definitely use on a daily purpose. So overall, I've really liked the bag, and I think it's quite worth trying. So if you guys want to get the April ZoBag for yourself, then make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box for more details. I have mentioned the link and everything in detail down in my description box. So guys, with that, this video comes to an end. Don't forget to give this video a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.